up on the Marathon Clothing mystery box. Let's see what's all in it. All right, here we go. All right, this is the Marathon Clothing mystery box. Over the holiday, they had a deal for $100 for, I believe, 11 shirts and 1 hoodie. And this is all that it came with. Here's 1 shirt. Let's see, what's this? The 4X. That's cool, I guess. The 4X. Let's see, what does it have in it? I think that one just says Marathon Clothing on the front. That's shirt number 2. And this one says TMC. This is the white hoodie with the Marathon label on the front of it. Nice. Another white Marathon shirt. My favorite color, gray. This one says Crenshaw on the front. 5X. Here's another one. This one says Marathon Clothing on the front. Crew neck t-shirt. It's pretty nice. This one says Slauson on it. I think it's black and gold or blue and gold. Another Marathon t-shirt. Another Crenshaw t-shirt. And this is the black one with the Brinks truck on the front of it. Pretty nice. Yeah, nice, man. Here's the proof that it's real right here. All you gotta do is download the Marathon app, and they got all type of footage and videos on there. You just put it up to your phone. I don't want to play the music because you know how YouTube is.